Hi, this is Jim, the real estate expert.online. Thanks for joining me today, folks. Be sure to subscribe down below and check out my other videos and get educated on the real world of real estate. So today we're going to talk about the question that always get asked. Do I need a real estate license to sell real estate? Well, the answer is yes and no. I know that sounds kind of crazy, but it really depends on what aspect you want to be involved in when it comes to real estate. If you just want to sell real estate for other people that own properties, then yes, you would need a real estate license in your state to sell on the behalf of sellers wanting to sell their home. However, if you want to buy and sell real estate for your own purposes, like investments, then no, you do not need a real estate license to buy and sell properties that you take interest in, contrary to popular belief. A lot of people think you actually have to have a license, and no, you do not when it comes to selling your own property or buying your own property. Now, there are some restrictions that do apply, so you do have to check with your state laws to know how many properties that you can buy and sell at one time for yourself. But I won't get into that part right away. But if you ever want to learn more about buying and selling property for your own self and investments, I'm your guy. So be sure to call me or check me out on my website down below. And you can plug into my partnership program and investment opportunities where you can yield as little as 20 to 45% annual rate of return on a secured cash investment. You're not going to get that anywhere else, folks. But if you decide you want to dive into the real estate world as being a licensed real estate agent, by all means, go ahead and go get your real estate exam. Unfortunately, the real estate test does not teach you how to sell real estate for other people. I know, it's crazy, right? It actually only teaches you how to pass the test. Now, I found out the hard way when I took my exam. I come out of there and, thought I was on top of the world. Well, when I got to my broker's office, I was in for a rude awakening because I had a lot of questions that I didn't get answered by taking the test. The test only teaches you most of the vocabulary part of real estate, which it's legality stuff that we can't even use because we're not real estate licensed attorneys, so we cannot give legal advice. So yes, it's great to know the vocabulary, but unfortunately, by taking an exam and having a real estate license does not necessarily get you paid, nor does it give you the opportunity to help others sell their property. So just want you to be aware when you go take your test and you pass your exam, be prepared to get further educated on the real world of real estate. And that's what I teach, folks. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. So there's 5 steps I'd like for you to consider before diving in. First step is to decide and commit. Okay, a lot of people cannot make a commitment for whatever reason. Secondly, you have to decide on a niche and a strategy. So the good news is you only need one niche and you only need one strategy in selling real estate. So if you decide to get into the investment side of real estate, you can decide on whether you want to work on buying and selling commercial property, whether you want to be in the rental business and landlord, or buy properties that need repairs, fix and flip, or buy and hold. There's so many different ways to earn income through real estate, buying and selling. The third step is to educate yourself and connect with others that are already doing the real estate and have been very successful at it, like myself. And fourth, you want to have a plan. You want to have a plan of action. You don't want to just get in your car and drive to a location you've never been. It's like leaving a GPS at home, right? So you definitely want to have a plan of action of what you're going to do to achieve those goals in buying and selling real estate. And fifth step, just do it. Just do it. Dive right in, get connected to a real estate guru like myself, and let me teach you the ways to earn income through real estate. So again, I hope this helps for all those out there wondering if you need to get a real estate license to buy and sell real estate. It depends on what aspect you want to go with it. So if you want to represent a seller, great. Go get that real estate license and get your further education after getting your license, and then you're off to your real estate journey. Bye for now, folks. Thanks for checking me out. Have a good day.